Welcome to Winning Products.
Today we're going to look at this new product called Funny Pet LED, a laser toy cat, pointer light by an interactive toy with bright animation mouse, shadow small animal toys. This is a winning product because it has a wow factor and it covers the pet niche. It helps satisfy pet hunger to play. And if you as a pet owner use this winning product and spending quality time with your pet, it makes the pet happy and increases your relationship with your pet. That friendly relationship with pet. Currently has 4.6 stars reviews on AliExpress with 1,408 reviews and 4,513 orders. The listing on AliExpress is called Kimemi Store. It has been on AliExpress since August 1st, 2017. There is a contact info if you decide to sell this product. You can negotiate on the price and the minimum order quantity. The cost per AliExpress is 1.62 USD. It comes in different color variation. Shipped to the United States. I suggest you target the United States when you decide to sell this product. The shipping cost is 3.67 USD for the United States via Cargo Standard for special goods. Expect deliveries on April 27. As time I record this brief video, this is April 5th. Yes, April 5th. So if you're looking at selling this product, you're looking at 21 days or 20 days gap, depending on the time you finish building your Shopify, WooCommerce or WIX store and your marketing strategy. So customers in the pet niche, those who love their pets like cats, will be willing to wait for such products since it's 20 days gap or 19 days gap to get the products. The market strategy I suggest you use to sell that product is I suggest you use US and UK Instagram cat influencers. Suggest you also use US and UK TikTok cat influencers. I suggest you also use USA and UK YouTube cat influencers. That is those that talk about product deals, unboxing, so you can use them on YouTube. Such you use YouTube search ads, and suggest you use YouTube video ads. Going further, the proposed trading results for the Funny Pet LED laser toy cat. The cost price on AliExpress is 1.62 USD. Total shipping cost which is paid is not free, is 3.67 USD, and you have a proposed cost profit of 9.70 USD if you decide to sell at a selling price of 14.99 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.